Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I will tell you how to check your rental history in Credit Karma. So it is very easy to do. So just follow this video till the end and you will be able to check your rental history. So first you need to do is open up your Credit Karma website and then click on this login button. After this, you have to log in using your email and password. So once you have logged in, you have to access your credit reports. So on the dashboard, click on credit reports option, and from there you have to select either your TransUnion or Equifax report. So Credit Karma provides access to both. You have to select any of them. After this, search for rental inquiries entries. So look for account or inquiries related to the rental agencies. Sometimes landlords or the property management companies may report rent payments as trade line. So after this, you have to check under sections like accounts, collection or inquiries for any reference to rental history. So once you do that, check the rental payment services. If you use services like Experian Rent Bureau, Pay Your Rent or Rental Karma, these may report to certain bureaus. You can request a report from these services directly to verify if your rental history is being reported. So that is how you can check your rental history on Credit Karma. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.